Hey everyone, okay, so it's the best concealers of 2019. Let's make a start. First one is HUDA. Here it is. I keep little elastic bands around mine. I spoke about them before. They're incredible. Full coverage. Looks absolutely beautiful. My chin's quite red. Love these, love these. These are lovely. Laura Mercier, and this is the Flawless Fusion. They are so beautiful, very forgiving on more mature skin. Two from IT Cosmetics, the Bye Bye Under Eye Illuminating Concealer. So this is the more illuminating one. And you've got the original one. Both are incredible. Mix this with a little bit of moisturizer, sheer it out. You've got a foundation. Extraordinary. Oh, these are so good. They give the Tarte one a run for its money. Este Lauder. This is the, what is this called? Because it's one of my favorites and I don't even know what it's called. DOUBLEWEAR Radiant Concealer. Oh, it is so, so good. Oh, Iconic London. These are lovely. Iconic London is such a nice brand and really nice people as well. And that always helps. Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. Very, very forgiving. And included here is KEVYN one as well. Don't know how that got in there. That's going to give me a migraine in a minute because there's something not right in a pile. Gonna fire my assistant. I don't even have one. Nars. I mean, let's be honest. Nars. Radiant Cream Concealer. What are they? 10 years? More than 10 years old? Still just incredible. And one of the first brands to give you a lot of product, way before people were giving you a lot of product. And BOBBI brand correctors, serum-based correctors, very, very forgiving on more mature skin, very liquidy, very, very beautiful. These are incredible. These are my favorite concealers. I have more, but these are truly the favorites. The one that is missing here, and this is the one that I use, and I tend to use now for filming, and I tend to use when I go out, is Laura Mercier's Secret Camouflage. A very awkward product because it's very dry, very hard, but it's amazing. It looks like skin, just apply it. Oh, I love it. I love it. Nothing on the skin but that and a bit of blusher. Perfect. Okay, links down there and I'll see you all next time. Thanks so much. I'm so pleased I get to film all of these. So I get to film all these incredible products. That's why I'm so excited, because I love these products. And I can get to film a whole gaggle of them all at once, which pleases me because I've had the shittest year ever. So this is great. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.